Hello guys, as you already know, the world's fastest web browser, Google Chrome, is no longer compatible with Android TV. But still, we will show you how you can easily set up this popular web browser on any TCL Android Smart TV. To get more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. First, identify your TV's CPU architecture. To do this, download an app from Play Store called AID64. Open the app under the CPU section. Notice the supported ABI. In this case, our CPU supports version 8A, but we will use safe side and assume it is ARM ABI V7A. In the next step, we will download Google Chrome on USB flash drive from laptop or your desktop PC. On your laptop or desktop PC, go to this website apkmirror.com and search box type Google Chrome. Once you click on it, you will find complete archive of previous versions, each having different architect. In our case, we will click on ARM EABI V7A and copy it on our flash drive. Once the file is copied, insert the flash drive in your TCL Android TV. Just to remind you, we previously found out about our ABI by installing an app from Play Store that was AIDI64. Next step is to download a file manager app on your TCL TV called FX File Explorer. So using this, we can install the application. Once the installation is done, open the app and locate your flash drive, which happens to be as media card. Open it. Locate your Google Chrome file that you just copied from your computer and then click on it or press OK button on your TV remote to start installing. Once the installation is done, we have to find a way to open it because the application is not visible from your TV home screen app drawer. Now, to open the Chrome web browser, you just have to type in the search bar located on the top of your TV's home screen. Press the keyboard button and type in Google Chrome, or just type in Chrome, and that's it. Voila!
Opening Google Chrome, fast and secure.
Unlike other standard TV web browser, now you have the option to download on your Android TV from your Google Chrome web browser. That's it guys. Hope this has been very informative for you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see ya.